Hello students, under the modern e-learning program we are going to discuss about the second poverty alleviation program, and under it first is NREGA. It is also called मनरेगा. महात्मा गांधी नेशनल एग्रीकल्चरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट. It was introduced in 2005, in which government had given guarantee of 100 days job. It was started first in 200 districts, but after all 600 districts had come under it, and a special feature of it, 1/3 of job was reserved for women. Here, in spite of it, it has prevented migration, labor migration. And do you know, if an application has come and government is not able to give the job, government is bounded to pay daily employment allowance. So good thing, daily employment allowance. अगर सरकार काम नहीं दे पाती है तो भत्ता देगी. As well as second, NFWP. Yes, Food for Work program. It was launched in 2004, and first 150 the most backward district. 150 most backward district it was implemented, and it was 100% central government program, in which both are included, central government and state government, but it was 100% central government, sponsored by central government, as well as PMRY, प्रधानमंत्री रोजगार योजना. It was launched on 2nd October 1993. Yes, the main aim to create self-employment employment means it started to give opportunity of a small business, a small industries, as well as some another thing. Next is REGY, the Rural Employment Generation Program. Rural Employment Generation Program और योजना, yes, REG program, SOPI program. It was launched in 1995 and its aim was also to create self-employment. And a target was taken. What was? Under the 10th 5-year plan, target was 25 lakhs job creation. It was the main target, as well as PMGY, it was launched in 2K for creating primary health, primary education, shelter, drinkable water and electrification. Such type of aim was PMGY. And AAY, Antodaya Yojana. It was launched on 25th December 2K, in which food security was given to the poor person, and PDS was reorganized. PDS, Public Distribution System, Ration Dukan, and in which 25 kg grain was given to each and every members on the cost of 2 rupees kg wheat and 3 rupees kg rice for the poor section. And first time it was launched in only 6 states, like as Himachal, like as Rajasthan, MP, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra, यूपी, दादर एंड नगर हवेली, such type of a state Antyodaya was introduced. Now we are going to discuss about the challenge. Although a lot poverty alleviation programs were given by the government and we succeeded to remove poverty as possible as, but nowadays different type of challenges are present that are creating a good gap between rich and poor, that are considered as the present challenge, like as not only providing food is enough, but now problem of shelter means home. It is also a challenge for the poor section, as well as education, and our government had given a lot programs for it, just like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, as well as Sab Badhein, Sab Padhein. Here, in spite of it, health care, a lot such type of communities are present that are not finding good health facility. It is a problem. It is a challenge. As self-confidence, लोगों को अभी आत्मविश्वास नहीं आया है कि हम कमा खा लेंगे, हम अपने परिवार का भरण पोषण कर लेंगे, such type, as well as job security. Job security. You have heard in the period of Corona how many persons' job had gone due to Corona. Means no any job security is present in unorganized sector. Nowadays also it is biggest challenge, as well as caste and gender discrimination. लिंग पर आधारित, जात पर आधारित विभेद, discrimination is now present in our society. We have need to abolish it. It is essential. Without it, our society can't be developed. As well as child labor. Child labor. It is fact. A lot programs are given by the government, launched by the government, but in spite of it, a lot child labor are present in India. A lot child labor. It is not a challenge. Yes, we are not providing good health, good education, as well as something else. If we want to establish a developed society, we have need to remove it also from our society. Due to it, poverty as a challenge in our country, in our society, nowadays also. We have need to abolish it, eradicate it from our society. That's all.